Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce some hand tools and digging and soil tools used in gardening. Trowel. A trowel is a small hand tool used for digging small holes and planting. Hand fork. Used for loosening soil and removing weeds. Weeder. Remove unwanted weeds. Dibber. Makes holes for seeds. Pruning shears. Cuts small branches and trims plants. Soil scoop. Moves soil into pots. Shovel. Used for moving soil or sand. Spade. Used for digging soil. Garden fork. Loosen hard soil. Hoe. Removes weeds and shapes soil. Rake. Collects leaves and levels the soil. Mattock. Digs hard ground and cuts roots. Pickaxe. Breaks hard soil and rocks. Thank you for watching.